Now, it's very likely that you might get a worksheet for homework, or your test or quiz may be a mixture of fractions, decimals, and percentages, but in an order that makes your head have to switch back and forth to the rules. My suggestion to you is that you pick one and do all of the same kind first. So if you're going to be picking fractions, we would do this first one and then jump down here and so forth. All right, so let's do our fractions. 43 hundredths, we're going to have to put the last number 3 into the hundredths column. So our 43 hundredths has our decimal point here, which is switched 2 places over for the percentage. Jump down to this one. Our 19, the 9 has to be in the thousandths position. So we need a 0 here and our decimal point. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Move it 2 places over for our percentage, and we would have percent. This 0 is not really necessary at this point. All right, shall we do decimals next? Making a fraction, we're going to put, this is all fractional parts. This decimal has no whole number with it, so all of it is the numerator. The 9 is in the hundredths position. To change it to a percent, we're going to take it 2 places over to the right. We're going in that direction anyway. And drop the decimal point. We won't need it at this point because it becomes a whole percentage and needs the percent sign. Next one is this one. That's a decimal. Here we have a whole number. The 67 is whole. So that's going to get a large 67, and the 3 is the fractional part. It's in the tenths column. To make a percent out of it, we would have it 2 places to the right. So this would be 6,730 because we need a 0 on this one to get our 2 places over. Percentage. We're going to be coming backwards this time. So eyeball where your decimal point could be, because this is a whole number, 27. It's now going to come 2 places back to the left, but you're going in that direction, so it's intuitive. Oops. And then 27 becomes the numerator of the fraction. 7 is in the hundredths column. Take our decimal point 2 places to the left. We now have 0.18 and 0.181. That's all a fraction, so that's going to be completely in the numerator. The last one in this number, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Now your homework is complete, or your test or quiz is completed without you being totally exhausted from changing back and forth to all of the rules for switching fractions to decimals to percentages in any order.